Linear inequalities. Solve the following inequality. So in this inequality, there are two parts. One is 4 less than, we split into two portions. One is 4 less than equals to 2x plus 5. The other side of the inequality will be 2x plus 5 less than equals to 9. And we need to satisfy both these conditions. So we try to solve them separately. So I'll try to keep my x to be positive, and in this case I'll get negative half less than equals to x. Then on the other side, 2x plus 5 is less than equals to 9. So I shall try to solve it. I'll still keep my x to be positive. So in this case, I'll have 2x equals to 4 and x equals to less than equals to 2. But this condition have to be done by satisfying both sides of the inequality. So what we can do now is we can use the number line. So I'll have my number negative half and the 2. Okay, and in this case, this one is equal, less than equal to, so it means it's a solid circle. And x is greater than, the bigger mouth is facing x. So it will be going on towards the right hand side. While this one over here is x less than equal to 2, so it's a solid circle, less than 2. And where are the portions that satisfy both the inequality? So therefore, if I were to consider two conditions, my x value will be in between negative half and 2. And the sign to put less than equals to. So this will be the final answer. Find the integer value k for which it satisfies this inequality. Now we notice that there are two parts of the inequality. So I can split this inequality up into two different parts. One is over here, 16 smaller than 3k minus 1. And the other one is 3k minus 1 smaller than 20. So now let's try to solve each of the parts of the inequality. So I have 3k and I try to keep my k positive. So that will be k is 17 over 3. Then on the other side, 3k is less than 21. So k will be less than equals to 7, less than 7. The condition is that I must satisfy both these two sides. So let's use a number line to help me. I can write 17 over 3, or this number is actually 5 and 2/3. Yeah, I think it's 5 and 2/3. Yes. Or you can, the other side will be 7. So now we are going to take a look at the value of k. So k is supposed to be bigger than 17 over 3. So there's no equal to sign, so it's an empty circle towards the right. And k is smaller than 7, no equal sign, so it's an empty circle to the left. Now where's the portion that satisfies both the condition? That answer will be from x is in between 17 over 3 and 7. So k will be this number. But let's get back to our question. Question say integer. So from 5 and 2/3 and 7, I cannot take 5 and 2/3, I cannot take 7. So the only answer is the number that's in between the integer 6.